I'm meeting Selena Gomez today. This girl. It doesn't feel real, but I feel like if I talk about it more, the tears will start coming. So we need to start glamming because if I don't have enough time to glam, I start stressing. And obviously it's a super important event, so I need to look my best. We have to use some of these Rare Beauty eye masks. I feel like my mind is like the jet lag really isn't that bad. That is so cooling. But my body is like, why are you up at 4 a.m. right now? I'm gonna use this new Patrick Tarte eyeshadow palette I got because I used it last night and it was so good. But we are going to play it really safe and I'm just gonna do my signature glam. I also did order room service, but 100% I'm answering like this. These brows were stressing me out. I literally never get watery eyes and of course it happens today. We'll just keep one of these on hand. I'm gonna take some of this lighter color just in the inside. I have to use my favorite palette. I just love these shimmers so much. Now a little bit of eyeliner. Room service is here. I'll quickly show you my breakfast. I think I'm happy with the eyes, so let's do the base. I think I need to use some of this aromatherapy pen just to calm down. Of course, I'm using my Hourglass Veil Primer because that's what makes my makeup last. Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. Rare Beauty Tinted Moisturizer. I have fallen in love with this product on this trip. It's just so beautiful and lightweight. I'm just gonna start off with a small amount and build up when I need to. Kosas concealer underneath the eyes and anywhere I just need a tiny bit more coverage. Like I obviously want to look flawless, but I don't want to look cakey. Spraying some setting spray to ensure that cakiness stays away. Have to use some Happy Soul Cream Bronzer. That's the shade, by the way. My makeup is separating a little bit, but in this case, less is more. So I took some off and I'm just blending the excess. I'm going to use some Bliss blush. This is my favorite one of her blushes at the moment. Seriously, it's so gorgeous. Now to set the face. If you ever feel like you're looking cakey, this powder literally saves your life. My fair skin girlies, you need to get on the Hoola Light. Your blush. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I've been so nervous this whole time. Selena Gomez is a big celebrity. Like, what am I meant to do? Just say hi? It's scary. She just looks like the sweetest human, so I know it's going to be fine, but it is scary. By the way, this is her highlight in Accelerate. Look at that. More setting spray. That mister never fails me. I recently found a really underrated Rare Beauty product. This is their brow pencil, and because my color of my hair is a little bit red right now, this is in warm brown and it's literally perfect. And if you want your brows to be locked into place, this Rare Beauty brow gel is going to do that. Underneath the eyes, put some eyeliner and mascara, both Rare Beauty, don't you worry, off camera because my eyes are so sensitive. And now I'm going to get changed and then we'll do the lip and then I'm ready. Finishing touches, I need to bronze my chest, but I'll do that at Liz's room and she's going to help me do my hair. But this is the outfit, just jeans and a really cute top because I want to be like comfy, and then some boots as well. I might just do the lip liner so then I can do the rest of the combo in Liz's room. I'm also going to put some Anna Rossi jewelry on, but for now, wish me luck. And of course, how could I forget the hair and body mist? Okay, now I really need to go.